Take one flashcard and tell me the numbers. Take one flashcard and tell me the names. Chip. I'm studying. Tell me the names. Show me here. Chip. Take one flashcard. Tomato. Take this one flashcard. Tell me the names. Show me. Say once again. Very good. Take one flashcard. What is that? Next. Take one flashcard. What is that? Take one flashcard. Tell me the names. Yes, very good. Take the flashcard, one flashcard. Tell me what is that? Show me. Tell me the names. What is this? Next, what is it? Tell me. What is that? Very good. No. One flashcard. Tell me that. Tell me that. Ikkada chudu. Take one flashcard here. Take one. Tell me that. What is that? Tell me the numbers. My name is. What is this? Very good. Which class you are studying? Very good. Take one flashcard here. Take one flashcard. Very good. Very good. Very good. Which class you are studying? Take one flashcard. Say loudly. చెప్పు మళ్ళీ గట్టిగా 9 my name. Take one flashcard. Any flashcard? Tell me the names. What is that? Tell me what is this? Next. Take one flashcard. Tell me the names. Once again, tell me.
My name is Rishi. Yes. I'm studying LKG.
Take one flashcard.
Grey, eagle, elephant.
Very good.
My name is Rehan. I study English LKG.
Yes, take one flashcard here. Yes, tell me the names. Show me. What is this festival? Next here. Very good. Take one flashcard. Tell me the names. What is that? Very good. Take one flashcard. Tell me the names. A for aeroplane. Take one flashcard. B. Mm. Mm.